Hi all, this is Janie. And I don't know about you, but if you look at the dates, this time of year gets pretty hectic. I really don't have a lot of free time to sit around and play in my planner, and I love to do it. But the best part about the iPlanner is that I don't need to do a lot. It is good to go right out of the box. I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way to set up my weekly spread and be ready to go in just a few minutes. What am I going to do? I'm going to take to this week's spread and I'm going to transfer it to next week. Well, you might ask, am I going to have a doctor's appointment again on Tuesday? Or what about my to-do list? None of that's going to go with me. It is so simple and you will be so glad to learn what to do. The first thing we have to do is that we have to engage up on the upper right-hand side the tool that looks like a pen with a swirl, the @ I'm going to select that, and now I'm going to go to my toolbar, and I'm going to select the lasso. And I'm going to I hold on it, I'm going to tell Goodnotes 5 what I want to copy. I don't want handwriting. Now some of it may be. Not this time, I'll come back for that. I'm going to go with images and text boxes. The green indicates that they are turned on. I'm going to click off to the side. And now I'm going to take, and with my Apple Pencil, I'm going to encircle, and you'll see the blue dotted line, the entire page. And I'm kind of sloppy about it at the bottom, but trust me, it's an image, it will happen. I'm going to tap in the circle, select copy, and I'm going to turn it off, scroll to my next page. Off the page, I'm going to put my pencil down and put paste. And I'm going to drag it over on top, click off the page on the pencil at the top, and this is set, established, and ready to go. Now, a couple of things I want to point out. If you look at the bottom row where it says work, key, blah, 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 menu, none of the writing, none of the highlighter has transferred. This time, I'm going to go back and I'm going to highlight just the very specific things that I want to drag over to this page. And that would be my key. And I'm going to select my lasso tool again. This time I'm going to turn on handwriting and turn off images and text boxes. I'm going to select the key, copy, back to my page, and tap and paste. Select off, and now I'm going to go to, because I always work Monday in the morning, again I'm going to select the yellow box, copy, and paste. The rest of my work schedule is pretty fluid, so I don't usually fill that in until I'm sure I'm going in. I could select these red lines that you see running through the middle of my day. I am on this one. I'll just go ahead and do it this way. Because of what these lines indicate, I want to copy them. They are constant. And I'm going to paste. Tap off. Over here, I'm just going to draw a red line. I'm going to select it, make sure the squares, the shape tool, snap to other strokes is on. That's not great, but it'll work for now. And I have my layout all ready to go. I can come in and I can fine tune it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the Christmas tree down at the bottom. So I'm going to select my lasso tool, images only, and circle it, tap on it, and delete it. Now I'm going to go to my stickers and I'm going to actually put in this Christmas tree. Copy. This is the Merry Everything stickers that are really gorgeous. And let me see, I want a little bit different. Let's go with Oh man, I love these stickers. You know that, right? Let's go with the dots. Copy and paste. Where am I going to put them? How about over here? I'll just smatter them. I don't want them that big. Up here, paste. Copy and paste. I'm just kind of messing now. And paste. Oops. Paste, drag. Paste. And paste. It's beginning to look like a very different layout, or at least an expanded layout. And I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to go and I'm going to plan, and I'm going to be ready for next week in just a nanosecond. I hope this has helped you get more comfortable with the Lasso tool, with setting up an already almost perfect planner in a very perfect way. Until next time.